State versus Bobby Morris. He's got two cases, 15-397, which is a drug case. Where do we stand on that matter?
Your Honor, I'm sorry.
I think that's set for next week.
Except for trial, is it going, at this point, is it here to go to trial?
Not from our end, Your Honor. Mr. Morris did have an FTA that kept him absent from being able to meet and visit with me about these cases. They're very serious charges, both cases. I'll be filing a motion to continue those matters, and the defense will take the time, Your Honor.
15-72, another case, which is also a drug case. Same status.
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
State versus Vincent Hatfield, 15-342, theft of property, possession of firearms for certain persons.
Your Honor, I've been told if you could pass Mr. Hatfield and I think Mr. Suttlefield's here actually. If you could pass Mr. Hatfield for now, we'll come back to it.
Okay. We'll come back to you, sir. State versus Anna Renault, 15-263, criminal attempt, an aggravated robbery. So where do we stand on this matter?
Your Honor, we are awaiting still some additional discovery in this matter. There's a audio tape to be provided of the co-defendant that will have a lot of relevance and a lot of factoring into how this case is either tried or disposed of. So we are awaiting that at this time. That being the case, I don't think that we'll be ready for trial on Monday. We'll address that by appropriate motions, I assume.
Very well. Is there anything else to be done?
Not today, Your Honor.
You may stand aside. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
State versus Mark Galloway, 15-149, kidnapping, aggravated assault.
Your Honor, there's no action to take in Mr. Galloway's case today. His attorney is Mr. Bayless,
Okay.
who is actively working on resolving this matter.
Very well. Okay. That'll be all, sir. Thank you.
Hey, Your Honor, I was willing to ask if I could have a bond reduction. I have $1,000 in my bank account. I was wondering if I could have a reasonable bond to that amount.
Mr. Galloway, this is Andrew Bailey. I will contact Mr. Bayless and speak with him and have him talk to the prosecutor to submit something to the judge, if that's okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll do that today.
Yes, sir.
Very well. Thank you. State versus Susan Busher, 14-144.
Bobby Pinter.
Are you Susan Busher?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're charged, your original charges, I suppose, were possession of controlled substances and theft by receiving, other charges. Looks like this is a revocation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me look at this. Have you got an attorney, Miss Busher? Do you have
No,
a
I
lawyer?
don't.
Do you have a lawyer, ma'am?
No, sir.
Okay, are you going to hire a lawyer or make application to the public defender's office?
Public defender, I believe.
Okay, are you working right now?
No, sir.
Okay, would someone stand in for her?
Absolutely, Your Honor. We'll enter a not true or not guilty on her behalf at this point in time.
Okay, I'll enter a plea of not true to these charges. If you're going to apply to the public defender, fill out an application as soon as possible. They should have an application at the jailhouse there, okay?
Okay.
And your case is before, let me see who signed the original judgment in your case. Okay, your case is before Judge Webb, so I'm going to set your hearing for March 17th at 9 o'clock, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you.